Right, people, well, as it's so hard to entertain when you don't get views, I must be entertaining wrong. So, shall we just move straight on to a nice vise? Bought this the other day. I assumed it was going to be this size. Right, but no, it turns out the leader is quite a bit bigger. I get that because obviously that's a leader vise pre-record days, quite rare. You can see from the paint there, it was kind of sagey. So, you know what's going to happen with this, don't you? Will not take long at all, this one. Let's have it over, shall we? A little bit of a rattly jaw already, I can see there, look. Cost me a lot of money, this one. 30 something pounds for a little vise. Quite a lot of money. But a lot of history. It's quite interesting to me. Going to be more specialised with what sits on the shelf, I think. Right. First of all, check the nut. The nut's fixed. That won't be coming out anywhere. We'll have a go at these jaws. Whew. So if we have a look at this jaw now, we can see there is a broken screw. Absolutely no joy with getting the jaws off this side, so they can stay on. Right, I'm going to find one that size then, do we? Right, that's a possible, because that does start, so I could just tap. I've got to make a new hole anyway. So I know the screw is 5mm, so I'm using a 4.2mm drill here to drill out the hole. Now I'm going to go and find the thread per inch size. I mean, here's one, right, now this goes in. It does start to go in nice. Oh, it does go in nice. That goes in absolutely lovely, actually. Right. So, that is the tap you want. So what that is you look on the tap. This is a die, by the way. This is a 5 by an 08. Can we see that? Alright, so that goes in absolutely lovely. Yeah, I'll never get that fucking work that out. So I lost the how to tap the hole out footage. So we'll move on. Well, this won't take much of a clean, will it? I mean, that's, I suppose, really, we're looking at that there. You see, that's the exposed bit. Okay, finishing touches, and shall we see what it looks like with the other little ones?